Let's analyze the fluid collection observed on the lateral side of the knee. The aqua-colored structure represents the lateral collateral ligament, also known as the fibular collateral ligament (FCL). The green-colored structure is the biceps femoris tendon, which shows increased signal intensity due to tendinosis. Between these structures, the fluid collection marked in pink is the fibular collateral ligament biceps femoris bursitis. Now, let's examine its location on the axial image. This bursitis is positioned deep to the short head of the biceps femoris and its posterior aspect, while being more superficial than the plantaris and the lateral head of the gastrocnemius muscle. Additionally, it lies superficial to the lateral collateral ligament. On the axial image, the fluid collection partially wraps around the lateral collateral ligament, forming a characteristic C shape. This is the fibular collateral ligament biceps femoris bursitis. The same pattern is observed on the coronal image, where the bursitis is located between the LCL and the biceps femoris tendon. Here, the bursitis is also marked in pink. In more posterior coronal images, the popliteus tendon and muscle become visible, along with the popliteofibular ligament, marked in yellow. The biceps femoris tendon and muscle, which exhibit tendinosis, are marked in green. Between these structures, the bursitis, highlighted in pink, is present. Similarly, the bursitis can also be seen on the sagittal image. The distal margin of the bursa is located just proximal to the fibular head, where the FCL inserts, while its proximal extent reaches the superior edge of the anterior arm of the long head of the biceps femoris muscle. On axial MRI, the FCL-Biceps Femoris Bursa appears as a fluid collection enveloping the FCL, typically forming an inverted J shape. Looking at another case briefly, this is a different patient, and the axial image also shows fibular collateral ligament biceps femoris bursitis. This content is included in my book Visualizing MSK Radiology, which is available on Amazon and eBay. If you become a member of my MSK MRI YouTube channel, you can study these findings in greater detail with structured lessons. Additionally, you can use Notion to comprehensively review all the knee MRI content.